What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard Diva. I am back. All right, guys, if you're here for the very first time, please smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, last one for 2022. Had to come back to you with high ticket for my folks that's interested in high ticket. $1,000 commissions, $1,500 commissions, $2,000 commissions. All right, so I've got two programs I'm going to talk about real briefly. The link is in the description. Go check it out, www.getpaidfromhome.info. All right, so Exitus Elite, we want to talk about high ticket. Okay, $1,000 commissions and $2,000 commissions is their high ticket products that they have. Of course, they have digital products. Okay, we're not going to get into all of those. We already know what they're like. We've talked about them before. So they have digital products. They have a full marketing system, autoresponder, the whole nine, right? Now, the way the comp plan works, of course, you get paid any way you want. You decide how you want to get paid, Cash App, Venmo, credit card, etc. You set that up in your profile. Now, the way this works, it has a one-up comp plan. So let's say you decide you want to purchase the $1,000 product. Of course, you get all the lower levels are included. But you join at the 1,000, right? Your very first referral, okay, let's say your very first referral is a member that purchases the $1,000 product as well. That sale would pass up to your sponsor. The very first sale at the level in which you join. That's how the comp plan works with them. So let's say the first sale, you signed up for the $1,000 product level, and your first sale is a $500 sale. You pocket that. Okay, you'll pocket all of these, the $100, the $250, or $500. But when the first sale is the $1,000 product level, because that's the level you join, it will pass up. Okay, that's how it works. Or let's say if you join at the $2,000 level and your first sale was a $2,000 product, you would pass that up. But if you joined at the $2,000 level and the first sale is $1,000, you keep that one. Okay, that's how it works. All right, so that's the difference there with them and DWP. DWP doesn't have pass ups. You keep every sale. All right, so how much is it? Let's just get right into it. How much is it to get started if you purchase the $1,000 product? Let's go take a look. So if we go here, we want to check out, we click 1,000, and it's going to be, should be $299, I believe here. Hang on a second. Let's see, where is it? I just saw it a minute ago. I think it's $299. Hang on one moment. Let's see. Okay, there we are. We've got it set now. So it'll be $299 will be sent to the company, and then $1,000 will go to your sponsor, right? So you're looking at $1,300 to get in to be able to make $1,000 commissions, right? If you join the G2000, it's $2,400. $399 will go to the company, $2,000 to your sponsor. Now, what is cool about Exitus Elite, if you come in at the $1,000 level and someone purchases the $2,000 product, you still will earn $1,000, and the other $1,000 will pass up to your sponsor. Okay, so that's how that would work. And of course, everybody that comes in at G500, $1,000, or $2,000, I will purchase your first campaign. Okay, your traffic campaign. All right, guys. They have an awesome website. Everything I think is awesome far as the layout of the products and everything that they have far as their website is concerned. As you can see here, future-proof tools and training for members, robust solutions to help you learn, grow, build, and profit. Okay, so you're going to actually have access to digital products that's going to teach you how to market online. Doesn't matter what you're promoting. Okay, of course, as I said earlier, the lower levels are included, so you get some great digital education here. Okay, so the link is in the description. Go check it out. Get all the details on the Genesis products that they're offering with Exitus Elite. Okay, that's what it's called, the Genesis product library. All right, now let's check out the last one, high ticket. Okay, where you can earn $1,500 commissions. Let's go check it out. Okay, DWP, one of my favorites. $1,500 commissions is the high ticket product that they have. Considered level 4, the diamond package. I've showed you guys this before. You can check out all the details on them. They do have a call center that's going to close all your sales. This one at the $1,500 level will cost you a total of $1,997. Okay, but remember, you got the call center that's going to take care of the whole sales process for you. All right. Of course, when you share your website with others and you run traffic to your capture page, folks are going to opt in. They're going to see these videos. They're going to watch the videos. And if they have questions, they're going to call the call center. They're going to handle all the questions for you. And the 800 number is on the website alongside your user ID. Okay, so 95% of this one is automated because the call center is going to handle all the sales process. Your job is to just promote the opportunity. All right, guys. So high ticket, if you're looking for that, those are the two products that I would recommend. Go check them out. www.getpaidfromhome.info. If you have any questions, give me a call, but I will run traffic for you on those. With this one, you need to join at least at the $400 or $800 or $1,500 level to get the free traffic that I will run for you. All right, guys. So with that being said, thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, guys, till next time, it's the end 2022, the last video for me of the year. Look forward to a prosperous 2023 with you guys. Look forward to seeing you on the inside. Be safe out there. Have a blessed day. Happy New Year. See you on the next video.